Come on, get on the bike. Hey. Hey. Get on the bike. I take video, bro.
Yeah, okay, what is up? It's your boy Lyles, AK MotoBroo, and today's gonna be flipping crazy, bro. Well, it's getting busy already, boys. Like, we got people pulling out. It's gonna be a vibe, bro. Ah, bro! My phone fell. Oh no!
I felt it, bro.
I did. Right when you said, "Oh no," I felt something fall in my pocket. I was like, "Let's go!" Coming in hot, bro. I'm MotoBroo. Yeah. Bro, you can't see nothing with all these freaking UTVs just blowing up smoke. Yo, can I touch it or no? What is it? It's a python or?
A boa.
Oh.
Got red tail.
It's nice? It don't bite you or nothing?
No.
Wow, that's crazy. Already? Bro, that was crazy. They flew right past me, bro. I thought them boys were gonna hit me. I see you. Let's go. Bro, that's like a little baby bike. He's still going. That was good. That was good. Respect. Holy crap. You good, G? Holy shit, bro. Bro, he literally... Hey, your foot. Yeah, I was about to say, it looks like it popped out.
It looks like a compound. Yay!
Hey, you might want to get it checked out.
Alright.
Just saying.
Hey, you put it back on. You gotta go back on the rim. You put that back in. You walk, bro. It came off the rim. Right? Yeah.
Bro, I got the whole thing crazy.
It looks like a compound, bro.
No, that's what I'm saying, the bone. It looked like it's popping out a little, the bone.
Hey, hit your head.
Popping out a little. Something's like poking.
Come on, get on the bike. Hey, get on the bike. I take you to your car.
Damn, this
It came off the rim.
yeah, bro, that thing was flipping like crazy, bro.
No, it's just the tire off the rim. That's it. That's how it gets off the rim.
That's it, you're good.
All you gotta do is put that on the ring. Put that back in. You gotta pop it out.
Damn, what a freaking day at the lot, bro. You literally never know what's gonna happen here. Look at this quad, bro. This quad. You know, let's get it. Bro, so, what? That was crazy, bro. That was intense. Let's go! Get it! Yes, sir! Let's go! funny, bro. I seen that first turn when like when we just got on the trail, you almost ate. Yeah. I was like, no. Yeah. Banshee vibes. Vibing. Two-stroke. Wow, this makes me miss my two-stroke, having them boys out here just vibing. Oh, someone's coming towards us. 150 gang! We out here strong. Oh, he's standing up. Are you kidding me? These young bulls going hard. Yes, sir! I don't even know what that's called, but you play his freaking foot over the handlebar. He's still going, bro. See if you can get this turn though. Oh, let's go. Say what? Bro, it's just the bike, it's not even me, bro.
I know, I had one before, they're cheat codes.
That's exactly what they're cheat codes. I told them to hit a hand drag. Let's go! Yes, sir! My dude! Yeah, 150! Yep. It's so fun, bro. Bro, it's so easy. It's so lightweight. Yes, sir! Bro, I almost ate it. I went over that freaking that root or whatever you call it. Alright. Woo, let's go! Clean Monster Edition Suzuki. I think that's it, yeah, Suzuki. What'd you say?
Let's do it.
What do you want? You want smoke? I don't think you can handle it, bro. Let's go. Told you didn't want to smoke. Let's race! When are y'all going? Bro, at the start I was literally flopping left and right. That was so bad. I've never launched this bike. Alrighty gang, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Another crazy day at the lot, bro. Like I said, every time we come out here, it's flipping crazy, but good vibes. Remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. We posting bangers every other day right now. Stay motivated, stay positive. We're ready. Peace.